welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed for you guys this quick and easy everyday makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you again for watching. So to start off, I'm gonna comb my brows using a spoolie. And when I do my makeup on an everyday kind of makeup look, I always do my eyebrows using eyeshadow. I think it gives like a more natural finish. So I'm gonna be going in with a dark brown shade, and then I'm just gonna, and I actually have been doing my eyebrows a little bit different, so now I just fill in where I don't have as much hair. Do my brows kind of like doing a feathery motion, actually mimicking hairs. Okay, so the next step, I'm gonna be using my 24-hour brow setter, and it's just a clear gel to comb out my eyebrows and so that they could stay in place. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with that dark brown shade, and I'm gonna apply a little bit more towards the ends of the brows. I'm not gonna be applying any in the front part of the brow because I like to keep the most natural there. I'm gonna be using a angled brush to apply my concealer. For some reason, during the winter or whenever it's cold out, I get dry skin, so I'm just going to be applying my toner all over my skin. And then I am going to be applying my face cream. And a little bit goes a long way for face creams most of the time. Now I'm just gonna be applying my foundation, and I use the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation from NARS, and I use the shade Fiji. So I'm gonna add like 3 pumps, maybe 4. And then I'm gonna be applying it. Okay, so then I'm gonna be going in with my Cocoa Contour. And I'm going to be going in with the medium cocoa and also the dark. And then for my forehead, I only go in with the medium one because it's more of a warm shade, and I don't want too much attention going to my forehead because it's so big. For my nose, I use also a small fluffy brush, and I also go in with only the medium shade. I feel like I look like a deer or something. So I'm gonna let everything set, and now I'm gonna go in with my Soft Glam palette. I'm just gonna add a little bit of orange soda on my lids. And then I like to apply the burnt orange. You can see it's my favorite color ever. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this. The only color I'm going to apply at the bottom is the burnt orange, which was the last shade. I'm not even going to go in with orange soda. Then I'm going to blend it out. I'm gonna apply my white liner on my waterline. I love white liner on the waterline. You guys have no idea how much I love it. It just looks so good. So now I'm just gonna wipe off the powder. Some powder. I'm gonna go back in with my beauty blender, and I'm just gonna dab on that contour to make it look unnatural, like a natural nose job. I'm gonna apply mascara. I'm gonna apply my Opal highlighter. And my lashes and style my I feel like they're natural. Okay, so now I'm just gonna apply my mascara on my lower lashes.